Alright, welcome back to another video everyone on Pops Reduction Step. In today's video I am going to show you guys how to get a louder audio on your Fire tablet. Now this works, I'm not saying that it works on every device, but hopefully it should work for you. You know, Android is a very vast platform, so give it a shot, and if it works, hit me in the comments. So this file was previously for Lineage OS ROMs, for those of you who are experiencing issues with low sound on there, but I did a few tests myself and turns out it works on Fire OS. So hopefully if you guys give it a shot and it works, of course hit me up in the comments and give the video a thumbs up. Okay, so basically what we're going to do is reboot into our custom recovery. So of course a custom recovery is required, so that's what we're going to do now. So let me just power off right there. So I'm going to power off and we're going to boot into recovery mode. I have TWRP currently installed. Alright, so we are now going to press our power and volume down buttons on Kindle Fire for us to enter recovery mode. If you are on any other device, it may be volume up, but it varies by device. So let's wait for this to enter into TWRP. So now you're going to head over to install, and I have the file in my downloads folder. It's called Audio Policy, so you can install that. And of course you realize I have Dolby Audio as well. You can feel free to download that. It's in my other videos, you can check it out. So our file replacing focus on today is Audio Policy, so we're going to install this file very quick and we're going to reboot. Okay, so boot up is complete, and I am going to test one audio file. Well, actually it's on YouTube from Dolby, so I opened it up just before I started. So here it is right there. I'm going to play it just for testing.
This is stereo.
So my audio is a bit louder now as opposed to I hadn't installed the file. So I trust that it worked for you guys, and if it does, of course give me a thumbs up and let me know in the comments. So yeah, that's it for today's video. Thanks very much for watching. Be sure to hit thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, share the video with others, and I will see you guys in another video.